simple and tender green peas turned into a masaledar restaurant-like curry in no time. Let's make green peas masala. I have here water on the boil. To this, I am adding a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of sugar. This retains the color of the green peas which we are going to add next. Here goes 1.5 cups of fresh green peas in boiling hot water. 2 minutes is all we need to cook the peas right now. This process called blanching will make the peas soft yet not overcook them. It has been 2 minutes. Time to take them off the flame. Let's drain the hot water. And immediately I am putting them in ice cold water for 2 minutes to stop the cooking process. This retains its fresh texture and color. Time to strain the peas. Bright green and fresh. They are ready to cook. Let's make the gravy base. In a grinder, I am taking 2 onions chopped, 8 to 10 soaked cashews, 1 green chilli and 8 to 10 garlic cloves. Let's grind this. After grinding, we have here a smooth paste to make the velvety gravy which we all love. Let's quickly cook the gravy using basic spices. In a heated pan, I am taking 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of ghee. I am adding to this 1 bay leaf, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix the spices and let them roast on low flame for 10 seconds. Next, I am adding the paste that we prepared earlier. Mix. Let the gravy paste and the spices saute for 2 minutes. Now, let's add 4 tomatoes pureed. Mix and cook for a minute. Next, salt to taste. I am adding 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Let's mix in. Now, add around half a cup of hot water to bring this to curry consistency. Mix. Let's add the green peas that we blanched. Cover the lid and let this cook for 2 minutes. Let's take off the lid now. Beautiful! Adding to this 2 tablespoons of fresh cream for the ultimate creamy and smooth experience. Bring it together. Lastly, crush and add half a teaspoon of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. Mix. Our green peas masala is ready. Pair with some hot rotis, parathas or even plain rice. And trust me, you wouldn't need anything else to complete your meal. Enjoy! Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.